Hey Charm Squad! Today we're diving into an ocean-inspired manicure using Maniology's Surfrider Foundation Oahu M232 stamping plate. This mani was inspired by the hit Fox series Rescue High Surf, a high-stakes action drama about heroic lifeguards patrolling Oahu's legendary North Shore. Since Maniology is based in Hawaii, I thought this was the perfect way to honor the show and the beautiful island vibes. Bonus, huge bonus, a portion of the proceeds from this plate goes to the Surfrider Foundation, a nonprofit that works hard to protect the ocean's ecosystem, preserve coastlines, and reduce pollution. Every mani you create with this plate helps support a cleaner and healthier ocean. Want to create your own ocean mani? Use my discount code RAVENART for 10% off your order at maniology.com. Being able to team up with Maniology has been such a dream come true, and if you are loving these stamping tutorials and featuring these Maniology manis, please comment down below. I have been having so much fun learning reverse stamping, learning the art of the perfect roll so you can pick up each image seamlessly every time. I am having so much fun getting to create these intricate, beautiful sets and really showcase the magic of Maniology. Thank you guys so much for coming into today's video. The rest will be a watch me work, but I really hope you enjoyed this ocean mani that was inspired by Rescue High Surf. Now, if anybody is a fan of the show, I would love to know who is your favorite character. And have you ever been surfing? Sending you so much love and light. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.